Within the smartphone app, there's a Settings tab that will allow you to customize certain system-wide settings. Here, you can change the name of the controller, the Wi-Fi connection, switch between a Celsius and Fahrenheit scale, change your outlet icons, and more. The You by Moen app can also adjust personal presets for different personalized shower experiences for multiple users. From the app home screen, select the Presets tab. You'll see 2 default presets that you can customize. Tap the preset you wish to customize and the preset edit screen will appear. Here, you can change the settings of the preset, such as its title, which outlets are used, and the desired temperature. There are also customizable settings for shower length, with the option to turn the water off or signal an alert after a specified time. You can program the shower to give you a sound alert and app notification when the shower is ready. Even pause the water. Once you're finished customizing your preset, click Done. To create an additional app-only preset, click Add a preset. The preset edit screen will appear. To change the order of the presets, click Edit in the preset screen and move a preset up or down using the 3 bars. You by Moen Shower, the digital shower valve with cloud-based controller and smartphone app. Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life.